Assemble process of single-story sloped roof modular house. Light steel structure parts. First, basic lineation. In order to guarantee the installation prefab house, the most basic overall the first, and the future of suspended ceiling, the laying of bricks not be affected. We must ensure that this lineation process of accuracy. Lining along the front wall and the gable with center where fixed a point, measuring 3 meters in the front wall and due mark, measure to 4 meters in the gable and due mark. Correct bracing interfered between the two tacks, be adjusted for 5 meters and 2 lines crossed to 90 degrees. Lining up the front and back walls. Let the 120-degree angular foot pieces under eaves are curved upward. to ensure airtight housing after roof installation. In the gable roof at about 15 centimeters should be set aside in order to prevent rain splashing into the house and ensure the overall aesthetics. Ridge within the same time put away, followed by installation of roof and fixed to corner purlins by self-drilling screw. After installing the roof, the combination of the two roofs to install buckle head with rivets, and both sides of the roof covering the gap at the ridge with rivets. Finally, find the leak hole self-drilling screw marked or ridge tile gaps with neutral gas glue. This process also should be noted that the uniformity of the outer edge of the roof and the installation sealing of buckle head and ridge tile to ensure the waterproof housing and drainage performance after roof installation. When installing roof with 7.5 cm self-drilling screw and need add exclusive waterproof leather cushion and iron cushion. Fourth, Reppy eaves. Use Reppy eaves sealed up leakage sandwich side of the installed roof and drilling with the 10 cm self-drilling screw fixed, so the sandwich material can be effectively protected from damage and improve the overall appearance of the house. Fifth, installation of interior partitions. According to drawings, fix the channel iron to the ground near the partitions. Then put the partition panels to the channel iron and fix up. Fix the top of the partition panels to the bottom of the beam for a roof with buckle. Sixth, installation of the door with a hinge connecting the door and door frames and fixed with rivets. Finally, install the lock and the keyhole in the door frame. Seventh, gluing, tearing up the protective film from the windows, sealing the four sides of the windows and the outside of the footpiece for windows with neutral gas glue, in order to prevent rainwater along the footpiece gap into the room. In order to prevent rainwater along the junction of the ground and ground channel into the room, doing the ground or laying floor tiles, it should let the indoor horizon 3 to 4 centimeters above the outdoor. Such a single-story new slope roof modular house had been installed.